I have here a door security bar. Comes with the instructions, the pulls, different ways you can use it. It's more than just a door. You can use it on like a sliding door and windows. So it comes with different pieces here. So I'm going to try it out and show you how easy it is to use. So to start, to put it together, take the one with 2 holes right here, and you're gonna slide it in here. This is so you can be adjusted to the height you need. And then you're gonna twist this piece in to the bottom here. After that piece gets twisted in right here, then you're gonna take this piece, I'm gonna unscrew it and put it to the bottom. So the piece with the hole is gonna go in between the 2 bars at the top here, so then they can slide a lot smoother. And then you're gonna take the lock piece to where you're gonna wanna lock it, and it will stay in place. And that's the length you'll want it. So you can adjust it to the length you need. And then this piece, if you're gonna use sliding doors or windows, you'll want this top piece on right there. If you're not gonna do windows, you're gonna just do a door, you'll put this other piece on the top. So if you have a door like this as like a handle, you can tuck it up underneath it and wedge it down under. And if you need it longer, super easy, or shorter, to push the pin back out, just like this. And then if you do need to like adjust it for any reason, you can just adjust it just easily. And then once you get it, you can put the pin back in, and then you can push it into place, and it will stay snug, and it will prevent from the door being open. So when you're using it with a door here, just make sure it's at an angle, and then you can adjust the foot piece so it's flat, and then you can take your foot or hand and kind of push it up and wedge it into place so it's nice and secure and it will not move. So from the other side, I can't get the door open with the thing in the way. It's helping prevent the door from opening. When you're going to use it on a window, it's going to be super simple too. You can adjust it. You'll lock it into place where you're going to want to lock it. And then you're going to take it, and you're going to kind of go from an angle first, and then you can slide it into place to lock it to where you need it. And then the window cannot be opened or closed. This door security bar is super nice. It's nice that you can use it other places, a window, sliding door. Super easy to adjust it to the door or window that you're using with these 2 pieces. Just take them off, easy to adjust. Super nice that this is very easy to bend and maneuver. So depending on what you're using, it's gonna be nice and secure. So this is great for anybody that needs an extra security measure for home or for travel. It works really nice and very simple to use.